Hi, Merlin. In the game of golf, it is when the player hits the ball from the original tee and makes it into the hole with one stroke. Challenging, but it sometimes happens.
Computer?
Yes, Angus, what do you want?
What is a hole in one?
It usually means you have just one pair of clean socks and there is a hole in one.
Gotcha!
Haha, what have you got?
You told Merlin something different.
Oh really? Merlin asked something completely different?
Regret
is unprofessional.
What the?